Hello, my name is Hilary Simon, and today I'm going to show you a screencast of two websites, the Smithsonian Institute and the British Museum. The Smithsonian Institute, the first thing I notice here is it has a ticker at the top. It gives some information about the federal shutdown, so that would be pertinent information somebody might be interested in if they had planned to visit or contact somebody at the Smithsonian at this time. But besides that, the Smithsonian has a menu area on the right with information depending on what the visitor to this website is looking for, including information on visiting, information on exhibits and events, information for educators, for researchers, and information on the collections, and information on how to get involved to volunteer or possibly look for a position or internship, and some about information, so the history of the museum and current information. It has these this pictures coming through the front of the website here, which is somewhat distracting. They're very large, and I don't see any other information on the web page. I just see the large pictures, which could be good, could be a negative, depending on what you're looking for. And I scroll down. Also, this is some very large information, I thought. And if I scroll further, I get a lot of information with some very big pictures that didn't really describe anything to me. It didn't give me any information on what I'm looking at if I'm just scrolling through. It could be interesting to somebody just browsing. But if you're looking for specific information, I probably would not be down here. Okay, and on to the British Museum. I found this a little more user-friendly, a little bit cleaner. A lot of the information I had to search for in the Smithsonian page is right here. For example, information on opening times, special exhibitions right here. If I scroll down, I just get some more basic information. I don't get a lot of exhibits that I might not be interested in. I get portals to more search areas. Again, they have a menu on the right side with most of the same information on visiting, events that are taking place, and research. Now, this does not have a drop-down menu underneath it. I actually have to go to the page to find out what's going on there. So I might not know where to find articles here. I could be under blog, it could be under research, I'm not necessarily sure. If I click on research, I do get some articles, blogs, and publications, and then here I'm getting my search areas. Here I found this a bit distracting, these kind of areas of, specific journal areas, press areas, things like that, that I'm not really sure I need to have right there. Overall, I found the British Museum webpage a bit more user-friendly, a bit more intuitive. I didn't have to search so deep for what I was looking for. If I was doing research, etc. I found the Smithsonian page a little bit more fun, maybe for the general public or somebody interested in visiting. And that's it. Thank you for watching.